Yes. He's got this car here. It's an electric car. Fisker Honda.
Then we go around wherever y'all want to go. This is your day.
I kind of want to go back there.
Where?
To the forum.